Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to reactivate your deleted Instagram account. So for any reason you deactivated your account or deleted your Instagram account in the past, Instagram does keep like a backlog of your account just in case, so you can recover it. It's not 100% guaranteed. You have to have a lot of information, a good reason why you want to recover it. Anyhow, I'm going to show you this website right here, and all you have to do is head to this website. I'll leave this linked in the description so you guys can just go down there and click on it, so it's a lot easier. But all this pretty much says is if you believe your account was deactivated by mistake, please provide the following information so they can investigate. So you basically just have to include your full name, your Instagram username, so that's like your @ on your Instagram. You have to also put in your email address that was listed on your Instagram account, and also your mobile phone number. The mobile phone number would really help if you had it connected to your Instagram, like I personally do for mine. So if you have all the information, it's great. And then just in the bottom box, you just have to let them know why you're appealing your decision to permanently deactivate the account. So this one, a reason why you're doing it, so like why you delete your account in the first place and why you want it back. So basically just put anything there that you have, the more the better, because it is a real person that is going to be going through your request. So you want to make sure it is a good reason why you want to recover your account. Once you put all that information in, you just click send at the bottom, and then you will hear back in the email address that you have listed in your Instagram account. So if you still have access to that email, perfect. If you don't have it for whatever reason, just let them know down below what's a good email to reach you at, just in case you don't have access to that email anymore. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help some of you guys out with reactivating your deactivated account on Instagram. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.